Good folks, today let's take a look at the Tesla weekly update. Uh, Tesla looking super duper bullish as market trying to is W pattern forming right here. We're gonna look at the technical. We're gonna look at a lot of things that are happening in the market. So this is your W target is 314 right here. Okay, so that's a W pattern forming. Plus remember there's a supply right there. Market did break through the supply right here today morning at 260 265, and that's the bullish. So market is heading to 314. No, not the market, Tesla. This is the Tesla video update, folks. So Tesla is look like a bullish, and as you can see, bottom is rising. Remember, the bottoms are rising. Whenever bottom rise, always whenever market takes the neckline of the W pattern right here, neckline breaks, that is the bullish, and go and finish the W right here. So that's the next target, the next supply right up there at 314. That supply probably we might hit some, but sometime soon, folks. That's what Tesla look like. So why Tesla is so much bullish right now? All right, folks, here is the Elon Musk today. I think he met Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, and this is what he has to say right here. This is the
Well, I'm actually incredibly excited about the future of India. I think India has more promise than any large country in the world.
The takeaways from the meeting.
so folks. This is Narendra Modi YouTube
Take
channel,
takeaways from the meeting.
and that's where I'm bringing stuff. Okay.
He cares about India because he's pushing us to make significant investments in India, which it is something that we intend to do, and we're just trying to figure out the right timing. In a nutshell, it was a fantastic meeting with the Prime Minister, and I like him quite a lot. He visited our Fremont factory several years ago, and so we've now known each other for a while.
So how do you see Prime Minister Modi's leadership role as far as making technology inclusive so that digital infrastructure can be created?
I can say he really wants to do the right thing for India. He wants to be open. He wants to be supportive of new companies, and obviously, but at the same time, make sure it accrues to India's advantage, which is, obviously that's the job. I'm saying I am a fan of Modi, so so I have to say that.
What are your future plans personally? What do you look at as far as investment in India is concerned?
Yeah, well, I think there's a tremendous amount of potential for all three pillars of the sustainable energy future. The three pillars being sustainable energy generation through solar and wind primarily, and obviously India is great for solar, and the amount of land area you actually need to generate enough electricity to power India is very small. I believe it'd be probably 1 or 2% of the land area of India, so it's very doable. And then you need to pair that with stationary battery packs because the sun doesn't shine at night, and then you need electric vehicles, and then you have a sustainable energy future. And I think it will. The interesting thing people will find is that this is a lower cost way to go as well. That may surprise people.
India
And
loves
we're also-
lower cost,
I'm
folks.
also looking forward to bringing Starlink to India as well. So,
I'll bet you, folks. India would love that thing is happening in India because in India, the gas price over there is crazy expensive out there, folks. Okay, up in the U.S. we are fine because I'm originally from India, so they over there, the gas prices are like it's ridiculously in a liter. Probably they're paying about couple of dollars. So you can imagine it's very expensive out there, right? So and particularly having Tesla car charging up there costing you $10 and you get 300 miles up there, they goes in kilometers. So if they give you a small size battery, the commutes are very small, right, compared to US. So absolutely smaller battery can go to a lot of kilometers. So absolutely I think that would work out for best deal with Elon Musk. And man, come on, this is just like China and India. You can get the manufacturing done in India ridiculously cheaper price compared to manufacturing in Fremont, California, right? So that would be another part. And then India has there's a lot of S-class people where definitely they would love to have spend money on Tesla, man, right? Just like Apple. And now Tesla is targeting India. Absolutely, Tesla will benefit a lot, folks. So, and this is, remember, India has the highest population, and right now, you know, India did 70 airports in last 5 years. They could not do it in last 50 years. Just to give you example, India did a 70 airports. They did not do in the last 50 years. They did it in 5 years. Just to give you. So India trying to be right now. So Elon Musk will benefit a lot. All right, let's get going and see what he has to say more.
The Starlink internet,
Yeah.
which I think can be incredibly helpful for sort of remote or rural villages where they perhaps either may have no access to internet, or the internet is very expensive and slow.
Do you plan to visit India anytime soon? But like, did the Prime Minister extend an invitation to you?
He did, and yes, I'm tentatively planning to visit India again next year.
Next
I'm
year.
looking forward to it.
Okay, folks. So that's the Elon Musk trying to visit India. All right. So now Elon Musk basically trying to open the manufacturing facility in India, and that would be happening pretty soon. Look like, and over there they don't have to go through all these Democrat and Republican. Over there, everything is get done fast, just like China. So that is good news, folks. So right here, technical look like, and India is a huge, is the most. You remember it's a democratic country. Right? So there is it's not that tomorrow China doesn't like Elon Musk or China doesn't like America. Probably, they can do anything. They can change their gears. Over there is democratic. So most likely there might not be the situation. So most likely Tesla will benefit as well as India will benefit. So look like this is good happening. That's why market is right now pre-market. Tesla is flying high, $16-17 up there. And target, so we were today super duper bullish on Tesla right here since morning. I said it's been heading, and look at that, the way the market with Tesla was going today. Look at that, in the morning market took it up all the way. So yeah, that's the sign, folks. So look like Tesla target for $314. All right, so guys, see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. If you like what I'm doing, folks, join the Top Trading Edge community, Top Trading Edge on YouTube. Join the community free of charge, and please share with others, folks. All right, like the videos. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.